Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that helps you stay safe from fake products and online scams. Today, we're reviewing something that's getting a lot of attention online, the FreeRange Antenna. It claims to give you free HD TV channels without paying for cable or streaming subscriptions. But is it really that amazing, or just another marketing scam? Let's find out! So, according to the product's official website and social media ads, the FreeRange Antenna is a small plug-and-play device that supposedly connects to your TV and lets you watch hundreds of live HD channels, news, sports, movies, and more, completely free. They say it uses next-gen signal technology and picks up digital airwaves that cable companies don't want you to know about. Sounds tempting, right? But let's dig a little deeper. Now, here's the truth. FreeRange Antenna is basically a regular digital HD TV antenna. It can only pick up local over-the-air broadcast channels, the same ones you can already get for free with any 10 antenna from your local store. So no, it won't magically unlock premium cable networks like ESPN, HBO, or Netflix. The advertising makes it sound like you'll get free paid channels, but that's completely misleading. A lot of users online have reported poor signal quality, limited channels, and even fake tracking numbers from the website selling it. Some customers say the antenna they received doesn't even match the one shown in ads. And guess what? The same product is being sold under different names on multiple websites like Airwave TV, Skywire, and Clearview. That's a major red flag, classic behavior of rebranded scam gadgets. So, can the FreeRange Antenna really stream free HD channels? Technically, yes, but only local ones. Nothing special. And definitely not what the ads promise. If you're expecting to get hundreds of free premium channels, this product will disappoint you. It's mostly a marketing scam with exaggerated claims. You're better off buying a legit indoor HDTV antenna on Cheesy from a trusted brand instead. Thank you!